Good day, grade nines. So you've been doing area and perimeter, and you've been working through your formulas. And I sent you a voice note today about how all you're doing is applying your formulas and putting formulas in. So I'm not too concerned about that, and I can still revise it and crash course with you guys over that. It's not like a train smash like factorization in products. But I know circles, it's a grade 9 concept. I did start with you last year. I did teach you some, but I'm gonna go over it again with you guys because you all mix up your formulas. So there's a formula for circumference and there's a formula for area. So let's just go over that quickly, and then I'll even go over the worksheet with you guys. I'm leaving you guys for sectors. You go and look online to work out a sector, the formula for a sector. It was even in the work you did today, because I'm doing this in the night before video. You go and check it, it's easy, just go online, check. Some of the times when I'm teaching I even forget and I go on YouTube just to go check how to do the sector formula because I forget it. But let's start with circumference. So circumference is 2 pi times radius. You have to know it off by heart. If you don't know it off by heart, you get it wrong. So you have to know it off by heart. And then the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Okay, so please make sure you know these formulas off by heart. Then, that's for a full circle. If it's for a semicircle, what am I going to do? For a semicircle, it's half a circle. So all I'm going to do is divide by 2. And then if it's for a quarter of a circle, what am I going to do? I'm going to say the area of a circle and then divided it by 4. Okay, something else that you kids make a mistake on, let's just go to my book here. This is the worksheet I gave you guys. You're looking for radius, remember, so that's the radius. This is what? This is diameter. So what am I going to have to do over here with this 42? I'm going to have to divide it by 2 before I put it in the formula. Okay, so let's just take this one over here. I want to work out the area of the circle, I was saying circumference, the area of the circle. So the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So it's pi times the radius. What's the radius? The radius is half of the diameter. Remember, radius is half diameter. Okay, so for that question over here, I would say area equals pi r squared. On the side of my page, I would say, given I want to work out the radius, so it's diameter divided by 2. What was the diameter? It was 42 divided by 2, which is equal to 21. Alright, then I'll take that 21 and I'll put it in here. Most of you would have taken that 42 from the question. So then I'll say it's equal to pi times 21 squared, and then you just plug it into your calculator. Now, the reason why I didn't do your book's example is because your book, if you go look for this in your grade 9 book, they have worked out without using a calculator, so they keep pi. That's an old way of working it out, and I don't use it anymore. Where they don't work out pi, they keep pi in the answer all the way through. So you times that, but you keep pi. I don't want your grade 9s to do that. You are going to go and work this out. Say, put in your calculators pi, open brackets 21, close brackets squared, and give me an answer. And remember, area is in units squared. So if it's centimeter squared, meter squared. Okay, so this question, that 21, you would have all put, or most of you would have put 42. Look at this question over here. This is a semicircle. So what's the formula for a semicircle? It's pi times r squared divided by 2, because half of a circle, eh? And now, would I take this 48? No, because that 48 is the diameter. I would have to halve that. Look at this question over here. It's a quarter of a circle. Okay, is this the diameter or the radius? This here is the radius because it's not going through the whole circle. This whole circle would have come all the way down to here, and then that would have been 32. So it is 16 is the radius. Right, this question over here, this 14 over here, this is the diameter. Now remember remember we were talking about this, I hope Yaku's watching this, I'm pretty sure he is. And Aiden and them were asking, can you see this is dotted lines? This is dotted lines and this is a solid line. This is a solid line, and these are dotted. Okay, you might not see it's dotted lines, but in your worksheet, you'll be able to see it's a dotted line. Remember, for circumference, that's the circumference. Okay, And if this is a full solid line, then you'll add this into circumference. Okay, so some of you might get a little bit boggled with that, but don't stress. I just want to make sure you know this. Do you know your formulas? This is for semicircle. This is for quarter circle. Make sure you divide by 2 to get your radius of a given diameter. And that is for circumference. Okay, so make sure you know you substituting radius and not diameter. And make sure you know your formulas. Circumference is the outer side, so that's 2 pi r. And if you're working out the area, it's pi r squared. Or pi r squared divided by 2 for a semicircle, or pi r squared divided by 4 for quarter circle. And that's all we're doing for today. And there's a couple harder ones that are got circles and a square, or circles and a rectangle. Then you break the figure up. You work out the area of the circle plus the area. Come over and look over here. This will be area of the square and area of a semicircle. This one over here would be an area of a square minus the semicircle, because there's a semicircle's missing here, it's been chopped out. This one over here would be area of a triangle plus an area of a semicircle, so you're breaking it up. This one over here, it'll be area of a semicircle plus 2 of these little semicircles over here. This one over here will be area of a circle minus these 2 semicircles. And then this one over here, what's this one? I haven't even checked this one. This is a semicircle with another semicircle minus the semicircle. So these ones, these last ones over here will challenge you. Okay, you won't get a lot of these ones in the paper. These will challenge you. Okay, but these ones over here, you better be able to do these starting ones. These are straightforward, easy ones. Okay, and then that one over there is a sector. Please go look online how to work out an area of a sector. Alright, grade 9s, get hold of me. I'll put all the answers up tomorrow. God bless. Thank you.